Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on the piano. First, you'll want to locate the sheet music or a good online tutorial for the game's theme. Once you have your resource, begin by identifying the main melody and the bass line. Then, practice each hand separately, focusing on accuracy and finger placement. This foundational step is crucial for building muscle memory and understanding the song structure. Next, understanding basic music theory will greatly assist your learning. Familiarize yourself with reading notes on the staff and recognizing different rhythmic values, like quarter notes and eighth notes. Pay attention to the key signature, which tells you which notes are sharp or flat, and the time signature, indicating the beat structure. Identifying the underlying chords will also help you grasp the song's harmony. To practice effectively, break the Among Us theme into smaller, more manageable sections. Focus on mastering one or two measures at a time before connecting them. Always use a metronome to ensure a consistent tempo, starting slowly and gradually increasing speed. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes daily to focused practice for optimal progress and retention. Finally, bring your performance to life by adding expression. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections louder and others softer to create interest. Learn to use the sustain pedal to connect notes smoothly and enrich the sound, but avoid over-pedaling. Practice performing the entire piece from beginning to end, aiming for a smooth, confident delivery that truly captures the game's essence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.